In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bookmap data for free in this 2026 full guide. To get started, head over to the official Bookmap website and create a free account. This is the first thing you'll need before you can access the platform, manage your license, or connect any available data sources. Once your account is ready, download the Bookmap application for either Windows or Mac OS, depending on your computer, and complete the installation. After that, launch Bookmap and enter the free license key available in your Bookmap user portal. This activates your access and lets you begin using the software. If you're new to Bookmap, choose the free digital plan. This option is designed for beginners and gives you limited access to the platform and certain data options without requiring a paid subscription, which makes it a good starting point for learning the interface. Next, connect Bookmap to one of the supported free crypto market data sources. In many cases, crypto exchanges are the easiest way to use Bookmap at no cost because they often provide free real-time market data. Depending on what's currently available, you may also see an option to activate a free trial for live market data through Bookmap or one of its integrated providers. Since these trial offers can change over time, it's worth checking what's available when you set things up. To connect your data source, open the Connections menu and then go to Configure. From there, select your preferred data provider, enter any required credentials if prompted, and connect to the market you want to view. Once the connection is established, add the trading symbol you want to track and give Bookmap a moment to load the data. If everything is set up correctly, you should begin seeing the market populate inside the platform. If you don't currently have access to live data, you can still use replay mode, if it's available under your plan. This is a useful alternative because it allows you to work with previously recorded sessions and practice reading order flow without needing a live paid feed. In some free setups, recording and replay may be available even when live viewing is limited, so this can still be a valuable way to learn. Finally, if you eventually want broader access, including markets like futures or US equities, you'll need to upgrade to a paid Bookmap subscription and use a compatible data feed. But if your goal is simply to start learning Bookmap for free, the free account, free digital plan, supported crypto data, and replay tools are the main path to get going.